Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I posted. I'm kind of behind. I had a couple of videos that I was trying to work on at the same time, but with school finals and everything, I got really complicated. So anyway, I'm back. I actually finished my college semester and now I'm back home. Had to drive about 14 hours, so it was quite the trip. But now I'm back and I decided to come home. Since about 3 months ago, I decided to start being more of a constant YouTuber to try to share my art and things that I know. I decided to come home and to reorganize a lot of different things, and I realized that I could really have a really nice setup here. This video is kind of just like, hey, hang on, videos are coming. But sorry for the long wait. So I revamped my space. I normally have a desk here and I just decided to make it look nice so I can make YouTube videos. I'll just give you a nice tour of the space. I did get a mic stand and it folds back quite nicely. And if it's okay, I had to mod it a little bit, but it gives me enough space to record with my phone and sync up to the video later. I also mounted my TV to use as a monitor. And I have my drawing tablet. And I put in some LEDs. And a light. And some Peruvian stuff. And toys. And I'm sporting a beard. Alright guys, so that was just a quick video to show you my new studio setup. And I promise there's more videos to be coming within the next few days, hopefully. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have any questions, you can leave comments. I know I'm not very big. I have like 25 subscribers. Yeah, if you guys have questions or whatever, just let me know and I will answer them. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.